In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your Instagram story with specific people. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, hit add 3 lines and select settings and privacy. Then scroll down until you find close friends. Just get into it. That's where you can edit your close friends list. As you can see, I got one person here. That's actually my main Instagram profile, and you can, by checkmarking persons, add them to the close friends list, and also you can uncheckmark some users whom you want to delete from your close friends. And once you're done with that, hit add done. Now we can create a story. We can just record short video or upload a photo, and then once our story is ready, we can share it with our close friends just by hitting add that button. We can just tap on it, and that's it. Also, after posting a story, you can get into it, then tap at this sign, and then also you will be able to edit your close friends list. You can just uncheckmark some user and then add another one. Once you've done with that, don't forget to hit add done to save the changes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.